with the camera morph tag, this is how it looks like. Once you are done with the camera position, that is camera 1, camera 2, right, you add another camera, which is a third camera that is going to act as a crane or a morpher. Good. So now with the morpher, you right click, you go to the motion camera tag, you will see the camera morph there, right? When you select it, you get this tag, right? When you get this tag, in the tag you see it automatically is on simple morph, but change it to multi-morph because the multi-morph has more option. The single morph, this is how it looks like, no option. So multi-morph will give you more option, like interpolation. Right now, for you to have the animation done, you have to arrange the cameras in the list like this. So this is my first camera, right? So that is what I've put on top, meaning that one should start. Then this is my second camera, that one is to end. So that is what I've put below, right? Now when you are done with that, you use the blend, right? You use the blend to do the animation. So you give it a keyframe, that is the beginning keyframe, right? You give it the beginning keyframe and then the closing keyframe. So that is how it is going to look like, as simple as that.